Being grateful for whatever you have, you can attract more and more abundance of prosperity to your life. Hello all, I'm your Yashaswini Gowda. I'm a soft skill trainer. I love helping ambitious professionals like you. Let's understand what is gratitude and how it can help you to be happy, healthy and wealthy. Gratitude is something you are very thankful to whatever you have in your life. It could be anything surround, it could be a small thing, big thing, doesn't matter. If you're very grateful for whatever you have, you are able to attract more and more abundance of prosperity to your life. This is what I learned from my mentor. I never had an idea that being grateful or showing gratitude towards something can do miracles in your life. This is a human tendency that we always tend to complain, crying, cribbing, and comparing the things, and we never appreciate the things. When we don't appreciate the small things with us, we will not be able to appreciate the big things in our life. So remember this, always be grateful for whatever you have today. You can attract more and more of it. We always whether you're a poor, middle class or richer person, we always wanted to reach higher peak. Yes, that is, I completely agree. Having a dream and working towards it, it's a big vision and mission. You should do have the dream, but you should be very grateful for whatever you have today. And so many people not able to breathe in this moment. If you're breathing, be grateful for it. So many people do not have a job, and if you have a job today, even in this crisis of COVID-19, be grateful for it, because many of people lost their job and they are not able to feed their family. Please do not cry, crave and complain about the things what you have. At least appreciate the small things. It can do miracles in your life, I will telling you today. Because once upon a time, even I was in a situation where I was always crying, complaining, cribbing and comparing. But it creates a lot of unhappiness in your life. But if you are start appreciating the things, it will do miracles in your life. So I'm telling you, if you are not able to appreciate small things, you can't appreciate the big things. So when you don't know how to appreciate small things, from today start this gratitude journal, because it will help the way you look at the things, and you will be able to calm your mind, and you can be happy, and you will attract a lot of good health and wealth to your life. Being grateful for, it could be for your relationship, it could be for your food, shelter, job, whatever it is, and it will be a very a good thing, and it will help in a lot of the ways I'm telling you. Wherein if you are very new to this, you just practice, keep a one notebook and then start writing every day, 1, 2 or 3 minimum, whichever it could be. For a grateful for a friend, grateful for a food, grateful for a parents, shelter, whatever it is. If you show your gratitude, you will be able to write more and more every day. Even I started with 1 and 2, 3 points. Now it is endless list, wherein sometimes I feel, oh my god, I have written so many things, because it gives you the inner happiness. And instead of looking at the low things, you will start looking at the great things. When you are looking at the great things, you will start appreciating it, and you will start attracting more and more of it. I had one of my mind coach, who's Dino sir, used to tell us, when you go to God, God doesn't understand language what you speak. He doesn't understand English, or he doesn't understand Kannada, he doesn't understand Telugu, or whatever it is. He understands only one language, and he always tells you, bless you, bless you, bless you. If you start talking about the problems, he'll say bless, 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 bless. If you start talking about your whichever the things which you have a great things in your life, start blessing it. And then what will happen when God start blessing you, you'll be able to attract more and more abundance of prosperity to your life. So start journaling today, and see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.